I have a corporate SharePoint Intranet setup, and one of the things that I really want to do is to create an employee directory on my intranet so that I can search employees, customize the results view of employee search, and if required, I should be able to quickly connect with my team using chat, Skype call, or maybe email. So I was wondering if there is any add-in available which offers me all these features. Let's find out.
Our employee directory add-in caters to your intranet needs. It requires minimum configuration, so you just have to install it and start using. It allows you to search employees based on their name, department, location, and job title. It also gives you option to choose from different views of the employee directory, like business card view, live icons view, list view. It also allows you to quickly connect to your desktop client applications and initiate a chat, Skype call, or an email. On clicking at any employee in the list, it takes you to the user profile in Dell. That's nice. This add-in lets you use your existing employee information from the SharePoint intranet, so you don't have to add any new SharePoint lists. Let's have a look at the versions available for employee directory add-in. Our employee directory is available in 4 variants depending on features available. The enterprise versions come with all the features. Here we will be showing the Enterprise Plus version for our demo.
But to start using, how do I get this add-in installed on my intranet?
For that, first I have to get to the Office store. Then I need to search for Employee Directory Enterprise Plus. Now I'll pick our add-in from the search results, which is Employee Directory Enterprise Plus. So this is the add-in details page, and this tells us about the features and pricing information. I may choose to buy it or opt for a trial. Once I have installed the employee directory, I'll be able to see it at the site contents page. Let me select our add-in, and now we are ready to go.
Suppose I am a SharePoint administrator and I find it really difficult to search employees in my intranet. Let's see if our new add-in makes my life easier.
Now if I try to find people with their names, let's see how it works. Yup, it worked, and it worked pretty fast. Now let's try to do a search by department. Cool, it worked as well. Let's do it by location. It worked too. Great. Similarly, I can do a search by job title if required. So the employee search is awesome.
Okay, but what if I want to customize my employee search options? Can I do that?
Let's see. Now if I go to configurations, and then if I go to filter settings, here I can choose to show or hide the search filters for department and locations. Cool.
Okay, but I have few employees that have left the company and I want to hide them from search results. Is this possible?
Under configurations, directory user set and data settings, I can provide a comma separated list of all employee names to be excluded from employee search. Or under extra fields and filters available, I may choose to make any of the following fields blank and set it here. So now this will exclude all employees whose department has been set to empty or blank value. Cool. So this way I can exclude my ex-employees without deleting or removing their relevant information like Office 365 email account, their documents, and any other related information from my system.
Okay, but I often struggle while customizing the view of employees list in my intranet. Does this add-in give me a better way to do this?
Let's see. So if I go to configurations and then if I go to picture and template settings, here I can choose either the list view or the template view. List view shows me employee details in a tabular format list. While the template view gives me options to select cards or icons template. The card view shows me employee details arranged in business cards format, while the icons view shows me the same details in a different format. That's cool. So I can choose any view that I want.
That's fine. But I also want to add date of birth of employees on the business card view. Can I do that?
Yes, you can. To do that, you need to go to configurations. Under extra fields available on cards view, you can specify birthday in managed properties and date of birth in the display names field. If you want to add more than one additional field on business card view, you can use a comma separated list in both the configuration fields.
Okay, that's fine. Can I also choose the fields that I want to see in my list view?
Yes, of course. For that, you need to go to configurations. Under choose the columns that you want on list view, you can choose columns that you want to see. Not only that, you can also add new columns to your list view using the managed properties section the same way you did for business cards view.
And what about the profile pictures that are available in Delft profiles or Outlook profiles or the SharePoint profiles? Does your add-in allows me to fetch them from different sources?
That's also possible using this add-in. In configurations under picture and template settings, you just need to set the picture source and your add-in will show up the profile pictures. Isn't that nice?
Okay, but what if I already have a theme configured for my intranet and I don't want to show any add-ins that don't match my existing theme or color? Does this add-in gives flexibility to match with my company branding?
Yes, you can do that as well. In configurations, under theme and display settings section, you just need to choose a color theme and background color. So now your new add-in matches with your existing intranet theme, and this gives users an impression of the add-in being part of an existing intranet instead of a separate add-in.
Connecting with desktop applications like Link or Skype is good. But what if I want to see my users' online status or availability? Is this possible?
Well, you can surely see that as well. And that's controlled by the configuration setting called presence indicators. So now, you can instantly see availability or status of people on your intranet. And it lets you start a conversation, call, or even email.
Great! So this add-in fulfills most of my needs. But I have offices in different countries, and I wish to set up this add-in for different office locations independently. Is that possible?
Well, that setup mode is also possible using this add-in. Tell us your requirement and we will set it up and running for you.